This is harder than I thought. Hey, Chineke Name, who sent me a message like this? Oh. I think this eyebrow is going to be the curious eyebrow I've ever drawn in my life. So, hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So my name is Nigerian Beauty Blogger, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing this makeup challenge that says using your opposite hands to do your makeup. So I'm a right-handed person and I'm going to try to use my left hand to be doing my makeup today, and this video is in collaboration with Temie. And if you are an OG of my YouTube channel, you will know that Temie is an amazing YouTuber, and this is not the first time I'm collaborating with her. We actually collaborated on a video, The Secret Life of a YouTuber. So today we are collaborating again to bring you this challenge, doing your makeup with the opposite hand. So go over to Temie's channel as well, watch her own video and show her love. Subscribe to her channel, turn on the bell, drop beautiful comments in her comment section, and I'm sure she's going to welcome you with open arms. So I'm going to be using my left hand to do my makeup, like I said before. I really don't know how it's going to be. Like, we have planned this collaboration like weeks and weeks ago. So if you want to see what thinking about it, it's actually funny, because it's even a struggle to do some things with your right hand, like wearing lashes, but talk more of doing it with your left hand. So guys, let us have fun together. I'm sure you guys will be wondering why I'm wearing like sweater, because I really don't understand the weather again. We're supposed to be in spring and it's been snowing and the weather has been extremely cold. So the first thing I want to do, I already moisturize my skin just after I got out of the bathroom. So the next thing I want to do now is to go over and do my face routine. I'm going to be starting with my face routine because I don't know how this thing is going to look. So first and foremost, I'm going to be using this primer from Fair Gold. There it goes. Okay, not bad, we're getting there. So I'm going to go over to spray my face with some fix spray from Kiss Beauty. So I'm already done with the primer, and I guess that's like the easiest part. The next thing I want to do is to go over with my foundation, and my foundation is from my Chick Cosmetics. You guys have seen me use this 1,000,001 times. So this is harder than I thought. In case my foundation is not even, you guys should know that it's not my fault. I tried. So the next thing I want to do after foundation is to go ahead and highlight and contour my face. For today's highlight, I'm going to be using a lighter foundation. This is one shade lighter than me, and it's the My Cheek foundation in the shade MC04. Hey, Chineke Name, who sent me a message like this? Oh. Father Lord, who sends me a message? Oh. So I'm going to be setting my highlighted areas with my Real Makeup Powder, the Glam Face collection. Oh, you see? I almost wanted to just going to go back to eyeshadow, and I'm just using the remaining foundation I used. Eyeshadow, I'm just going to keep it pretty basic. I don't want to do too much so I don't end up looking like a masquerade. I'm going to be going in with my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and this shade here is a transition color. So the next color I'm going to be using here is this one here. The next thing I want to do is to line my eyes. Hey. Not the best, but we are going to leave this like this. After all this craziness of the lash, the next thing I want to do is to go over my powder shade and apply my powder. After I'm done with my powder, the next thing I want to do is to go over my highlights. Inner corners, shade from my highlighter palette. On my waterline, I'm going to be going in with a white pencil. Then underneath the waterline, I'm going to be going in with the same color I used as a transition color, just down here. think I ended up ruining it. For lip color, I'm going to be keeping it simple. To finish up this look, I'm going to just spray my entire face. Guys, I had fun filming this look and I hope you're going to have fun, and I hope you had fun watching this look. Don't forget to head over to Temie's channel to also watch how she was able to interpret this makeup challenge, guys. And for what is what, I think I appreciate all left-handed people here in the world. I know it might be like their default, you know, hand to use, but me using my left hand to do my makeup, trust me, I don't want to try it anymore. I had a bit of a struggle. My lashes didn't even align well. My brows, I don't know how my brows are looking now because I'm looking into my camera lens. I'm trying so hard not to look into my viewfinder. I think it would be cool to try this challenge. I'm going to be challenging all the beauty enthusiasts and all the makeup artists I know out there. If I don't mention your name, you know yourself. Like, you know yourself. I'm challenging Chantel, Anya, I'm challenging Giovanni, even if she hasn't been uploading in a while now. I'm challenging maybe Leah, Simply Jamie. I'm challenging Cynthia Eleluwas TV. I hope I pronounced your name very well. And I'm also challenging the tall black chick. I'm challenging Sabena's Beauty. I'm challenging Is It Really Messy? Who else am I even forgetting? I don't know. You know yourselves. I don't have to mention your name. You know yourself. So if you can dare to attempt this challenge, and I'll be in the comment section of each and every one of your videos. Don't be scared. I was scared before that I wasn't going to do, but I just had to give it my all. Like, if it's going to come out good, fine. If it's not going to come out good, fine. After all, it's just a challenge. I'll see you all in my next video. Do have a fabulous day ahead, guys. Bye. Don't forget to check out Temie's channel before you finish watching this video.